everyone? So made it up here about as high as I think I want to go. I'm gonna kind of hike it up over by Thurston Peak. Looks like there's a building up there with my wife. Be pretty cool to check out. But anyways, I got Morgan right behind me, which is kind of cool. And then right on the other side of the ridge here is Salt Lake Valley. So I'll head over that way and shoot some video and get back to you all in a bit. Talk to you soon. Right, what's going on, everybody? Made it up here between Francis Peak and Thurston Peak, up by this looks to be like either an old communications area or ranger station, but not gonna lie, it's pretty awesome up here. Able to drive most of the way, but decided to park the truck and make my way the rest of the way on foot here. You see the radar towers behind me, of course the Salt Lake Valley right over here. So it's been a fun drive, fun little hike. Definitely recommend it for everybody who wants to get out and see some incredible views. Anyways, talk to you on the way down. So I'm pretty much down the mountain now, calling it a day. Awesome day driving up here at Farmington Canyon Road. Little hike, views were amazing. Definitely recommend it if you live here in Utah. Just come up here and make the drive. Got a couple Alpine Lakes too. So anyways, get outside.